This fitting guide is for the TCD and TRD14. In this image, you can see all of the covers for the passenger seats of your vehicles. First, remove both of the headrests from the seats. Next, lift up both seats so you can access the under-seat storage. Take the largest piece of the cover and undo the Velcro which runs down the middle. Wrap the cover around the seat as if you're putting on a jacket. Secure the cover underneath the headrest fixings. Pull the seat belt forward and fasten the Velcro behind it. Tuck the cover underneath the central plastic unit. Next, locate this black bar underneath the seats so you can attach the hook and loop fastenings around the pole. Make sure to attach these loosely to avoid any tearing in the cover. Next, select the right seat cover by looking at the curves on the seat. Hook the seat cover over the top of the seat. Pull it down over the sides and the front of the seat. Lift the seat back up and secure the Velcro straps like so. Push the seat back into position, and that's one down, one to go. The cover for the second seat is installed in the same way. Grab the headrest. The flat side is the back of the headrest. Slide the cover over the headrest before fastening the Velcro like so. Pop the headrest back into the seat and repeat the process for the other headrest. The headrest stalks can have some oil on them, so be careful not to get this on your seat. Once the covers are fully installed, you have easy access to the fold down table, the integrated seat belts, and the under seat storage. Your seats are now fully protected by Town & Country's covers.